Hey everybody. Remember those Saturday mornings when you were a kid and you used to be watching Looney Tunes on TV and eating a bowl of cereal? Me too. Those were awesome times. And one of my favorite cereals of all times were the monster cereals. You know, Frankenberry, Count Chocula, Boo Berry. And that's what inspired this next piece that I'm going to show you here on the drawing board in a minute. Every time I look at it, I just think about those old days when you were a kid and life was so much simpler. So I don't eat monster cereal anymore. I haven't seen it for a while. I'm sure they still put it out at Halloween. Mostly I drink coffee in this awesome Harry Potter mug. By the way, isn't that cool? My daughter-in-law Bethany gave that to me. It changes colors or pictures when it gets hot and cold. It's a Marauders map if you can't see that. Anyway, this is also a big hint to my next video. So keep an eye out for that. And let's go to the drawing table and look at some monster cereals. General Mills introduced chocolate-flavored Count Chocula cereal and strawberry-flavored Frankenberry in 1971. Pre-sweetened blends of oats and corn, they provided 8 essential vitamins plus iron. The cereals were created alongside GM's ad agency, Dancer Fitzgerald and Sample, and took their inspiration from the never-ending monster craze. Frightening figures like vampires, mummies, and werewolves were everywhere in horror movies and have become an indelible part of society. Tall, dark, and mysterious, Count Chocula's look was inspired by the iconic vampire Dracula. Was that good? I thought that sounded pretty good. Anyway, Jim Dukas provided his original voiceover talent, basing the Count's speech affection off of actor Bela Lugosi. Voiceover artist Larry Kenney replaced Dukas in 1978 and spoofed his Universal Monster counterpart with taglines like, "I want to eat your cereal." That was better. Anyway, he still voices the icon today. The two cereal mascots argued with each other over which cereal was the best and proved to be great big scaredy cats themselves. Early commercials showed the monsters being scared by children, black cats, birds, ghosts, even each other. In February of 1972, Frankenberry cereal, this is funny, you're gonna like this. Frankenberry cereal included an indigestible pigment that turned some children's feces pink, a symptom sometimes referred to as Frankenberry stool. What? The Count Chocula and Frankenberry recipes were reformulated to remove this pigment. Hey kids, what's a set of monster cereals without a ghost? Boo Berry, a blueberry-flavored cereal, launched in 1972 or 73. I'm not sure. I've heard and read both. When the gang first met Boo Berry for breakfast, they were terrified by the translucent blue spirit. Of course, they're scared of everything. Neither Count Chocula nor Frankenberry wanted to compete with a new cereal either, so they sent Boo Berry on his way, only to have the ghost come floating back inside and scare them all over again. Boo Berry's first iteration was voiced by the legendary voice actor Paul Frees, who is behind the booming ghost host from Disney's Haunted Mansion ride and several Pirates of the Caribbean. You know, in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Disney. Yeah, the guy's awesome. But most recently, Chris Phillips has done the character, and his voice can be heard in many commercials. Another monster attempt was Fruit Brute. Fruit Brute howled in the grocery store aisles in 1974 with his fruit-flavored cereal. The Frosted Fruit-Flavored Delight, oh, that's a mouthful, although a bit nondescript, ran for only 8 years before disappearing into the vault in 1982. Enter Yummy Mummy. Debuting in 1987, Yummy Mummy, a fruit cereal with vanilla marshmallows, heralded in by a colorful mummy with a knack for jingles. Yummy Mummy didn't quite reach the same popularity as Count Chocula, Frankenberry, and Blueberry, and he also retired back to the pyramids in 1992. While many other cereal mascots have withstood the test of time, none managed to achieve quite as much as the Monster brand. Though we may have to wait for the best time of the year to get reacquainted with these monster cereals, Count Chocula, Frankenberry, and Boo Berry have proven to be worth far more than just Halloween staples. I hope you guys liked this video. This was so fun for me to make, and I had such a blast drawing these guys. I think I'm going to go find a box of Count Chocula and dig in. Have a good one, everybody. God bless.